VLOOKUP and if function can be used together. The combination is mainly done for multiple reasons, such as to handle errors to look up based on multiple values. Here we can see that some students' mark in math and English are shown in a school. So now we want to make a lookup table where we will give input of student's name and the corresponding subjects, and it will return the mark of each of the students in that specific subject. So do that, we can write the VLOOKUP equation. So here you see I'm going to write it again so that makes more sense. So if you write the VLOOKUP function and the lookup value, you are going to look up the name, and the table array, you are going to select this table array, and a column index. So here for instance I'm going to see the number or mark in math, so column 2, and we want exact match, so we can write false and close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now you see Amy got 20 in maths, so that is showing. But if you change the subject, for instance, you want to see what has Amy got in English. So from this drop down, if you select English, this is not changing because you need to consider additional or multiple input in this VLOOKUP table. So how you can resolve this? That's when you can combine if function with VLOOKUP. So let's write the if function, and here you see first you have to give the logical test, and I'm going to give the logical test for J6, which is the subject. So the cell J6, just select J6, is equal to, for instance I'm writing math. So if the subject or J6 is equal to math, then you will consider this VLOOKUP table value. Okay. So, but if the value is false, so for instance, instead of math, if the subject is English, then you have to write another VLOOKUP table. So what I can do, just copy this and paste it here. So everything remains same, but instead of column 2, I want to look for column 3 now, which is marked in English. So close the parenthesis and now hit enter. So you see now it has been updated for the corresponding subject for corresponding name. So now if I select math, the mark achieved by Amy in math is 20. Now if you select different name from here, for instance I want to see the mark of Jake. So Jake got 80 in math. If I check it from here, Jake, he has got 80 in math, and if I select English, he has got actually 82. Okay, so that's how you can apply multiple input in VLOOKUP table by using or combining if function with that.